Ka National People Party NPP ha ka singi balang kalaong ba ka Jingwan Pynïasoh jong kilai ngut ki MLA Congress kala penklain ya ka Jingbun pai ha ka sarkar bar kala plilinti na ka benta ka suk ka sain ha ka sain pate hadien bala slem ha halor ka ne kanong aikitin ka NPP bat ka menteri sarkar ka kong Ampareen do kala penpa ya ka jikmen ba ki te kilai ngut ki MLA Congress kila long pura ki khot ka NPP ka bawanra ya ka Jingdon ki MLA hadu lai phoi ngut ha ka ba ka ne ka pensingai ya ka jingne ka sarkar hadu bakut.
I am concerned. When we were suspended, we remained in suspension, and our suspension orders would last till after election 2023. There was no ways that we could in any manner contest an election. Hence, we waited for our terms to finish, and subsequently we all decided which parties to go to. So whether or not the Congress party is doing or not doing something is not my concern.
But as a seasoned politician, do you think the downfall of the Congress in Meghalaya has got to do a lot with the leadership?
Don't even want to comment on this matter because I'm no longer in that party, and I would refrain from commenting for the simple reason that now I realize that politics is very volatile. Don't want to comment. I'm happy that 3 legislators are now full-fledged NPP members, brings our number to 31, which to me is very stable. What we need is a stable governance so that there is political peace and we are able to deliver to the state and the people of the state of Meghalaya. Doesn't matter what the aside comments are. Doesn't matter who is saying what about what. Very fact that people have left a party and have joined another party on a 1/3 majority is indicative that there is something wrong going on somewhere. But because I don't belong to that political party, I don't want to comment any further. Interestingly, some were suspended, others were not suspended. So now that again is a very tricky situation. We leave it to the wisdom of the Congress party to decide what they want to do. At the end of the day, we are in government. MDA is in government. Having come from the Congress, I want to reserve my personal observations because now I speak not as a citizen or a legislator. I'm also part of a government. I shall speak responsibly, and I only have one thing to say. We have a strong government now. This has come to Meghalaya after a long time. For some, it is a default travel. For some, it is the natural process. So, opinions can be interpreted accordingly, but we are happy and we welcome all of them. And we hope that we will be able to work together in the interests of the people of the state of Meghalaya.